Okay. So, looks like we're live. Don't see myself, but yeah, there we go. Okay. So, what's up, everybody? This is the live stream. MTDD ExpressJs NodeJS setup. Doing mutation testing. Got this crazy, brutal dubstep copyright-free mix in the background. Because we're live, so you might need to be waiting a while for me to install things. So, I was thinking maybe that would make it less boring for you. Other things that we have here in other tabs. Okay, so the Express. I was planning to use this Express generator to generate a project. Then we have Jess here, testing software and tooling, platform, test runner. Also just the syntax for the tests, right? And blocking. That's Jess. Got a tab for ChatGPT open here just in case we get stuck. And I also have Striker. This is the mutation testing library that I want to use for starting. Okay, so starting from total 0, create a new project here. I'll call this MTDD example ExpressJS, because I'm going to do a TypeScript one later, but we're just doing JavaScript here. ExpressJS, I think that's fine. Mutation. I don't know. Example. ExpressJS. Okay, so this will be like a backend API type of thing. ExpressJS. I mean, it doesn't have to be, but let's make this MIT open source. Zoom in so you guys can see better. Okay. Let's copy that, go back to our terminal and clone it. I like to clone things in my Git projects folder, so I'm going to put it here. I'm going to CD into that folder. Okay, nothing really there. So now let's scaffold our Express. So how should we do this? We can either do it with npx Express generator, then we can just basically execute this thing without having to install it globally, or we can install it globally and then. So let's decide maybe what version we want to use. Right now I think LTS is like version 18. So I'm going to say npm install latest version 18. And we can even say, put this into a npm.rc file for people later. Okay. So then, if you look at that, it just has this in, and then if you say npm use, it will switch to that version. So, I don't really need this thing installed forever, so I'm just going to run it with npx. Say yes to that. Destination is not empty, sure. Okay, so now I created a bunch of things here. We can then do the npm install here. Okay, now let's see what we have. Package JSON, we really just have thing that starts, yeah, not even any tests. If we hit this base endpoint, we can see it says welcome to Express or something, I guess. So we have this endpoint routes, index, and then user. I have some views here that returns like some basic HTML pages. Styles, empty JavaScript folder, empty folder. Okay, so I kind of want to make something that's more like a backend API, right? So I'm just gonna say instead of res.render, I would say res.send. And I think we just send it just body. Right, this takes make it body, and can't do anything, and then it sends it. So okay, so now we get something like this, which is actually more like what I wanted. Okay, so that's good. Getting the 200, and of course we didn't really test drive this code because this was just the code that was calculated for us. And one of the advantages of this MTDD is that you can then use it for code that you've already written or someone else has written to see how we can improve the tests if there are any tests. Okay, so right now we don't even have any tests, so So this is actually even more complicated than I wanted to get just for the beginning. Let's create a new folder here just called helper functions. And maybe, let's see, do we have some kind of naming convention already for our files? Looks like lowercase JS, so I'm just going to call this foobar.js. And we'll have a function, const, a function that just returns the object with the key foo. Okay. So now let's make foobar test. And let's just say describe our foobar. Well, returns foobar, this exact object, right? Let's use double quotes here so that I can put single quotes in the string without having to do any crazy backslashes or something. Okay, so now we want to call this function foobar, right? And expect that calling foobar is equal to foobar. Okay, then we need to, well, it'll say we need to import this, but maybe we should be running code. I even like to sometimes keep this running. And then run the test. Okay, npm test does nothing because we didn't install this yet. ExpressJs, okay. And actually I do like this soup test also, so we'll look at it using just a soup test. I don't like this. And can you solve all these things? Okay.
Duck seasons, fire!
So you separate your app and server. Okay. Just like the endpoints and the actual running of the server. Okay, so super test I would even call more of an end-to-end kind of
Quack, quack.
So this is actually hitting your endpoint, expecting the response to be 200. I think we can even also say response equals this expect response. So, two different ways to do the same thing. Wait. Yeah. And what about the actual response body? To be what? To be free bar, right? And I guess we can do the same thing up here. I don't think we need this down anymore since we're doing it instantly. Although maybe if it doesn't get to here, that done makes it fail when it should fail. But this should be full bar, right? I think we should be able to just say jest here. Set our test script and then just call test. Okay. Looks like we have the wrong path here. Going to our app file. So this is here. It's one file up. It's really just one file up. Okay. So our test is running. Looks like it's getting the actual results. And we're getting title express and not foobar. Because I think that's what's actually returning it. And I think we can say dash dash and then dash dash watch and run test and watch run. Interesting, so it's saying serialize the same string. It should be tasked with deep quality. Replace two strict equal. So let's try that. Let's just try equal first, actually. Okay. So it looks like this one is passing, which is good, and now it's just our foobar test over here. And remember, we were expecting that foobar is not fine. So we're in JavaScript world. It looks like we're using require statement here. And I need to save mine without export this somehow. And it will say how it's foobar, and it will parse that. Okay, yeah, this is a file name right from home today. That is equals not a function. To equal. Oops. Yeah, that reads better, to equal. Okay. Back to green, that's good. Okay, so now we can refactor everything so it's good, nice. Okay. So we can even put some of these things in here. I like to have a lot of commands in my package.json where the test is like automatically runs with watch, and then maybe you have test ones that just runs test, and then you have test coverage. I think it's dash coverage. And run test code. And so what are we looking at here? It looks like our helper functions are 100% covered. That's this foobar.js. And our routes, index saying 100% covered, but the user says so. Let's delete this user and see, so instead of actually returning this just hard-coded foobar, what I kind of want to do here is use my helper function that I created, right? I want to do something like this, and then use that the same way we imported it before from the require. But this will be, I guess, from 1 up, and then helper function, and then foobar. And actually, when we rerun these, okay, user is being referenced in actually. We deleted that. So it's deleted here. And we're trying to apply it. Okay, so let's delete that too. Okay, so that looks good, right? Looks like we have 100% coverage. The app.js, I mean, this is all generated stuff from Express. Kind of annoying that we have to like maintain all this engine setup and all this junk, but you know, the way that you handle 404s and errors is kind of important. So if you were really going to deploy this, then I would say, yeah, you probably would want to write tests from this app.js file, but we're not going to worry about that now. And these views, honestly, I don't care about, so I'm just going to delete this. And really same thing as public folder. Let's make sure everything files now. Hopefully I delete stuff. Great stuff right there. Okay, so it looks like our foobar thing is working. Let's go to it and check again. Okay, it's returning foobar. Just to say, we check real quick to make sure. Like I was saying before, this I kind of see as almost more of like end-to-end test, right? Where it's calling your endpoint, expecting that it returned the actual right thing. What do they call this syntax? Async way versus the promise way. Promise style or async style, right? So you have either of these in case. I'll even make some concept here, so put this status code and expected body. Right, that it returns. Extract these. Gotta make sure it doesn't jump to something that's not the royalty free. Honestly, I'm gonna make this, I'm gonna call this test.ete. And I'm gonna make another file. Called just index.test.js. And this will be index. I'm just gonna say it returns, foobar returns. Mock foobar response. Okay, so we're gonna mock this. So foobar can be doing some crazy stuff, touching the database, same things, and we don't have to care about that in our index unit test necessarily, because we just want to test this code that it's sending whatever foobar returns. Back in this file. And this is just confusing. Some mock foobar response is. I'm just gonna call this mock response. Okay, now let's go back to Jest and say I remember the just mock something. Don't think it's just mock. And then there's a mock implementation here. We'll say return mock foobar response. And then honestly, we can still call this, right? We're still expecting it to give us a 200. Or we're expecting the body to here's our index here. Or does it want us to actually invoke this thread.get? Okay. Cannot find the module. Right, so from here it would be up1 and then in helper functions folder. Okay. So now I think we are ready to install Striker. So npx Striker, I think we can say Striker in it. Install some stuff. I'm not using any of these anymore. I'm not using chest. I'm not using any of these transformations. That's easy to know. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, then you can do Striker 1. And what I'm just gonna call this MTDD, this and this will automatically look at this Striker comp that we have here. Treasury plan up. Oh, that was supposed to install. So we need this Striker mutated for. This just runner. So, run our MTDD. He's updating my node version. I was using version 18. Now complete file, okay. Module that exports equals something. Not right, how we put it on the baseline. Maybe we don't need baseline. Okay, so now it's saying one of our tests failed. Oh. Alright, so if the test failed, then I need to go back to this step. Okay, so this is our unit test. So this, it seems like it's not correctly locking. Okay, so I think first let's just, if we put this up here above.
Where is your god now?
Let's define this first. Let's just see if it works when we do this. No, it doesn't. And I think it's because what we need to do is say Duma. And here we may need to return just function. Maybe. Should also be able to say how expect. First functions dot foobar.js should return actually calling through, but toolbar. Add that in there. So we won't test. So is that async thing? Is making a copy of everything. So, yeah, wow. There was some tests in striker temp that were not following. Okay. So my unit tests and my end-to-end tests both passed. do this just do mouse before an app is loaded, which is a little weird, but I guess it does work here, so. Okay, so now my tracer config. Mutator, JavaScript, address. You can say just big file. I'm not sure if this really does a whole lot, but run MTDD. And then you'll see that account nothing. Because there's so much things. Okay. Everything in basically all the transforms. Okay. Need to restart this before it ends. Code. Alright, so now it's running these mutation tests, doing a lot of stuff. Actually, I really should add all these things here. I should say not everything in the no molecules folder. And also everything in the coverage folder. We don't care about mutating that, right? Even our tests, right? We don't want to mutate our tests, we want to mutate source code files. Same for our end-to-end test. Alright, so let's try that one. This is looking at the straight comp file here. We don't need to look at that either. Alright, we don't need to look at dress.com. Okay, so we have a few things here. Notice that the helper functions toolbar, there were 3 ways that it mutated it and it killed them, so we have a nice test here. And really, you know, we're just straight up returning toolbar. We really could even refactor this code to just be with parens, and then it's just returning kind of shorthand for returning this object little here, true one-liner. But the idea is that we weren't missing anything being tested, and assertions were already there, checking pretty much everything that it did. Okay, so our test is still passing. We still killed those 3 units, so that's good. And actually, we can look at this reports. We can open this up in the browser. And we can even see what are the things that it killed. And we can click on it, this is pretty cool. So, it tried to return undefined instead of this. And it failed the quality check that toolbar was not undefined. And then it tried to return just empty object, and it failed, saying that empty object is not just a toolbar. Then it tried returning an object with foo and just empty string. And it still said this is not. So that's good. But the interesting thing is that our index, there was a survived mutant. Okay, so we killed this mutant, where instead of returning oh, it's just a timeout. Add a timeout, follow you to this test to increase the timeout. Interesting. But I guess that was a successfully killed test. Mutant, I mean. And this is interesting, right? So it's saying this string literal survived. When you just put empty string here, it still works. And I guess this is kind of just like a quirky thing about like endpoints, but it's how it's supposed to work, right? Where the base endpoint, you can put the slash there, or you can just leave the slash off and it should still return that. And it's kind of just the magic of the framework that it handles that slash also. And maybe you could argue that, you know, this base endpoint is so ambiguous that it just makes things more confusing, harder to deal with. Maybe we should make this endpoint foobar. Right. And then we have to call foobar, and the empty string endpoint won't work, only slash foobar will work. Okay, and so now we see that it killed these 2 mutants, and our index.js is now at 100%. So, I hope you guys liked this example, little walkthrough of even just how to get mutation testing set up in an ExpressJs project. This has given me like so much trouble a lot of times, so even just getting here is like such a huge accomplishment, and now you can really fit this into your testing strategy, right? Kind of, it's one additional step at the end almost, you know, looking at JSON. I'll still kind of start, like, when I'm writing the source code functions, maybe you do want to just run just watch and be focused on that getting your test passing. And maybe you'll run just coverage just to see what are parts of my function that are clearly not tested yet. And then once you get everything covered, then you can check, okay, are there other assertions that I could add here, or just kind of tighten up so that all of these mutants get killed. Okay, so let me know if you think this is a good idea. Good name for it, MTDD. If you want to ever join into these live sessions and code with me, definitely think that would be more fun than just sitting here by myself talking to the stream. So hit me up, Trimlines Codes on all the socials and different things. Let me know if you like the music. Let me know if you like quinoa and lentils, and have a good one. Peace.